Today, Anil Pakina will demonstrate how to efficiently remove a wheelchair from your car, assemble it, and get into it independently. The first step is to carefully take the wheelchair frame out of the passenger seat and place it on the ground next to the car. Next, retrieve the wheels one at a time and position them on either side of the wheelchair frame. Now, Anil is grabbing his smart drive. With all the equipment ready, it's time to assemble the wheelchair. Watch as Anil lowers himself from the car seat to the floor, positioning himself just at the edge of the door for easy access to assemble the parts. Here goes the first wheel, securely attached. And now the second wheel is in place. Next, he attaches the sidebars for added stability. Finally, the smart drive is mounted onto the back of the wheelchair for extra mobility. With the wheelchair fully assembled, Anil positions it strategically for a smooth transfer. And there, we have it. Anil is now seated in his wheelchair, ready to roll with ease and confidence. Thank you, Anil, for this helpful demonstration.